vlog061, September 30th, Saturday, 4:49 p.m. Hope it's not too windy. I'm gonna wear this hoodie to shelter the mic from the wind. Today, I went in the morning to Founders Runners Club, ran 10 kilometers. That's one AI startup founder and some other cool founders people. And yesterday, recorded a drone video of it, who's also a startup founder in crypto, and got to catch up with them a little bit. Spent the evening working on my laptop at the hostel, and same today. And I've been feeling really good about that spot. It feels like it's a good spot for work, and I feel good about being productive. It's very important to me, and that's a very good thing. And I was thinking of going to Noise Bridge because it's a Saturday, and I can go there for the free code camp gathering there or meetup, and but it's just like a 30-minute bus ride away, and it's so far, and I would just get distracted there. And I just like being here close to my room and stuff. And I've been working on, so yesterday on the uploaded files bug in the afternoon, and then in the evening I started on AWS deployment. I figured out some stuff with Nginx configuration that helped a little bit with uploading files. But still, this is just a temporary measure because I'm set on moving away from DigitalOcean server to AWS because it's scalable, reliable, and has this Docker deployment infrastructure with Copilot that's really good. So that's going to allow this app to be scalable and more reliable, and open the door to onboarding more people. So today I deployed the front end and the back end Docker files, and tested it that it's working well. So there's a couple components to it. There's the application working with Copilot. It really automates making the best decisions for creating the networking and the ECS and the ECR, Elastic Container Registry, Elastic Container Service, and then the networking between them, load balancers, all of that is done by Copilot. So it's a few commands to deploy, but you have to understand what's happening under the hood, and that's so you create an application which has multiple services. Then you create the services by passing in the Docker file path then it generates like the Copilot / project folder, which has like the manifest YAML file that has all the settings of like how much CPU, what port it's on, where's the Docker file, and a few other things. Then you have, so that's the application with each of the services, which each service is a Docker file, and you run Copilot in it, and it does this whole process for you of asking you questions about like filling out the application name, the service name, the location of the Docker file, what type of application it is. If it's a web application, like or a backend service, front end service, or a microservice, and then it creates the service, and then it creates the environment. And the environment is like, you can have like a test or production or development, and you give the environment a name pretty much, and it generates like a folder inside of the Copilot folder called environment, and has its own manifest file. And then it deploys the Docker containers to ECR, the registry, automatically, and then deploys them to the ECS, Electronic Container Service. And I think it's like Fargate is the name of the service. And then at the end it gives you a URL where you can access it. And I deployed the front end and the back end, and then I was able to like go to the URL and log in. So that means it's communicating with the Supabase database, which is, well, actually no. Well, it means it's communicating with the mail server, which is the back end. So that means the front end and back end are connected. And then I actually logged in with the password, so that means it's connected to Supabase. But one thing I didn't get to yet is adding in the environment variables, and I don't know how it's able to log me in without the Supabase URL and secret, which is really mysterious because I didn't add them. And so the next thing to do is to add the environment variables, and that will allow it to work. Because right now, yeah, it's like it's not able to pull down any of the data from the user, like the user's brain or the user's chats or user profile information. Checking my watch because I think my friend is going to pick me up here any minute, and then we're going to go, I think, to Golden Gate Park to fly drones. He's got an FPV Micro, and I have a Mavic Mini 2. And it's cool. So what is next is I have to deploy it and figure out the domain name. So route it from the Namecheap DNS to AWS. So that should be pretty straightforward, and then set up CI/CD automated pipeline. So Copilot has like pipeline features. So I just like put in the GitHub repository and authorization, and then it should do it when I push to main. So that's going to be cool, because then that's going to be awesome. And then, so I'll do that today, I think, I hope. And then tomorrow. Yeah, I wanted to finish the subscription thing. Quite a few things left there, and then there's like a night coding event, funny thing, social thing today. It's a part working, part socializing. So I think I might work on something different there. And then tomorrow there's like a hackathon that I signed up that's like AI, and it's at like the Cello Foundation office. So I may just go there and just hang out and like try to work on something. It's called Life dash dash upgrade, and so like it's like how can you use AI to upgrade your life? And it's cool. I might like brainstorm about like what are some things that are relevant to text life that I could apply there and like build in like it's like 10 a.m. to like 7 p.m. It's like and I'll probably be there like it's like 6 hours, and then there's like judges and prizes. Yeah, that's over 10 minutes. I'll end it here. Peace out.